आप देख रहे हैं गुलमोहर बुक के चैप्टर द नारायणपुर इंसिडेंट के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को। तो सबसे पहले है इसमें नंबर द सेंटेंस इन द करेक्ट ऑर्डर। सेंटेंसेस को उनके सही ऑर्डर में प्लेस करना है। तो सबसे पहली लाइन आएगी द कॉलेज स्टूडेंट वर टेकिंग आउट आ प्रोसेसन। कॉलेज के सभी स्टूडेंट प्रोसेसन यानी जुलूस का हिस्सा बन रहे थे। मंजू एंड बाबू वेंट टू वॉच द प्रोसेसन। मंजू और बाबू इस प्रोसेसन यानी इस जुलूस को देखने के लिए गए। दे सर्व्ड अ नोटिस ऑन द कलेक्टर व्हेन दे रीच द गेट। नेक्स्ट है आफ्टर डिनर सुमन केम इन विथ अ बॉय हु वॉज कैरिंग अ साइक्लोस्टाइलिंग मशीन। नेक्स्ट पाटिल द सब इंस्पेक्टर केम इन टू warn the family. Sixth, Patil took away the machine. Seventh, the police came to search the house. Next है क्वेश्चन आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, what was the purpose of the march? Answer, the purpose of the march was to protest against British rule and to demand independence for India as a part of Quit India movement. Question number B, do you think the silent march was effective? Answer, yes, the silent march was effective because it conveyed a powerful message of peaceful resistance and discipline, which likely made a strong impression on both the authorities and the onlookers. Next question, why was the march silent? The march was silent to demonstrate peaceful protest and to avoid giving the authority any excuse to use violence against them. It was a strategic move to maintain a non-violence and discipline. Question number second का A. Why does Babu ask Mohan why they went back quietly? What do you think was Babu's idea of protest? Answer, Babu asked Mohan that why they went back quietly because he expected a more vocal and possibly confrontational protest. Babu's idea the protest likely involved loud slogan, speech and visible defiance against the authorities. Question number B, why does Mohan seems pleased with himself? Answer, Mohan seems pleased with himself because the silent march and the strategic retreat were planned move to avoid violence and arrests. It showed their discipline and commitment to non-violence. Question C, why do you think Mohan said later, but we are not prepared to go to jail? Answer, Mohan says this because their goal was to protest peacefully without giving the authority a reason to arrest them. They wanted to demonstrate their resistance without sacrificing their freedom at the moment. Third passage, question A. Why do you think they were making copies of Mahatma Gandhi's speech? Answer, they were making copies of Mahatma Gandhi's speech to distribute his message widely and to inspire more people to join the Quit India movement. Gandhi's speech were a powerful tool for mobilizing support and spreading the message of independence. Question B. Why was it illegal to do so? Answer, it was illegal because the British authority had banned the dissemination of material that prompted the independence movement, viewing them as seditious and a treat to their control. Question C. How do you think the Sahib knew about cyclostyling machine? The Sahibs likely knew about the cyclostyling machine through informants or surveillance of the activities of those involved in the independent movement. Appreciating the text. First है Mohan. Mohan saw his patriotism by the participating in Quit India movement and organizing the silent march. He also helped distribute Mahatma Gandhi's speech despite the risk of arrest. Amma support the movement by allowing the use of their home for clandestine activity and show trust in the cause. She remained calm and decisive even when facing danger. Next है Manju. Manju saw her patriotism by being curious and supportive of her brother's activity. She followed the event closely and is willing to help by being a lookout. Babu. Babu demonstrated his patriotism by wanting to witness to be part of protest. He also take on the responsibility of being a lookout to protest the others. Suman is involving in distributing Gandhi's speech and help bring the cyclo-styling machine to their home. This shows his active participation and commitment to the cause. Patil, although a policeman, saw his patriotism by warning the family about the impending search. He risked his position to help his friend's family and support the movement in own way. Second question answer is